Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to find the greatest and smallest among exponential numbers. Now this is part 2 of the video. In this video we are going to be dealing with some harder questions that SSC only asks for Tier 2 examinations. Now you need to watch it only if you are seriously preparing for Tier 2 examinations. Let's move on to some questions. Find the greatest among the following: 13 raised to 31 or 31 raised to 13. And the second question is arrange in ascending order: 16 raised to 24, 24 raised to 16 and 32 raised to 10. Now there are various methods to tackle such questions, but the fastest way to do such questions is to learn some basics of logarithms. Now for our use we are going to use logarithm of base 2. What I mean by that is 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, 2 square is equal to 4, 2 cube is equal to 8. Now if I take log, this can be written as log 2 is equal to 1. 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, so log 2 is equal to 1. Log 4 is equal to 2. 2 square is equal to 4, so log 4 is equal to 2. 2 cube is equal to 8, so log 8 is equal to 3. Similarly, log 16 is equal to 4 and log 32 is equal to 5. Now, what about log 3? 3 is between 1 and 2. 3 is between 2 and 4. So when you take its log, it would be between 1 and 2. It is 1.6. This you need to know. The number between 2 and 4 is 3. Its log is 1.6. Similarly, log 4 and 8 we know. Log 4 is equal to 2. Log 8 is equal to 3. So 6 is between 4 and 8. Log 6 is equal to 2.6. Now 8 and 16. Log 8 is equal to 3. Log 16 is equal to 4. Log 12. 12 is between 8 and 16. Log 12 is equal to 3.6. Similarly, log 24 is equal to 4.6. This is all you need to know to do such questions. This much you need to know. Now let's just say for a question you need to find the log of 31. Log 31 is equal to, you need to find. You know that log 32 is equal to 5. 31 is a little less than 32. So you can say log 31 is approximately 4.9. You just need to find an approximate answer. You need not find the exact answer. So if you want to find log 30 or log 29, such questions are not usually asked. You can say that is 4.8 or 4.7 or something, as you like. A little bit of variation is okay. Now using this, let's tackle our question. Which was greater, 13 raised to 31, 13 raised to 31 or 31 raised to 13? Which was greater? You just find log of both sides. Log 13 raised to 31 or log 31 raised to 13, which is greater? Now you should know that log a raised to b is equal to b log a. So log 13 raised to 31 can be written as 31 log 13. Now we know we have to find the value of approximate value of log 13. Now log 12 is equal to, it is between 8 and 16. So log 12 is equal to 3.6. So you can say log 13 is equal to 3.7 approximately. So 31 log 13 is equal to 31 times 3.7. Just leave it as it is. Now the other side is log of 31 raised to 13. This is written as 13 log 31. Now log 31 is a little less than log 32. It is a little less than 5. We can take it as 4.9. This is 13 times 4.9. Now it is easy to compare. Which is greater? 31 times 3.7 or 13 times 4.9? Clearly 31 times 3.7 is greater. This is the greater value, which means that 13 raised to 31 is greater than 31 raised to 13. So let me rewind it. If you had to find which was the greater value, 13 raised to 31 or 31 raised to 13, you find the log of both sides, and you found that log of 13 raised to 31 was greater, so that is the greater value. 13 raised to 31 was the greater value. Now try to solve this question. Try to solve the second question using this method. Try to solve this question using the log method. Try to pause the video and do it. Hope you guys have done it. Now the question was to compare between 16 raised to 24, 24 raised to 16 and 32 raised to 10. Taking log of all these values, first thing is 24 log 16. 24 log 16 is 4. 24 into 4 is equal to 96. Second one is 16 log 24. Log of 24 is 4.6. This is 16 times 4.6. Now the third part is 10 log 32. 10 log 32 is equal to 10 into 5 is equal to 50. 16 times 4.6 is something like 64, 72 point something, 72 something approximately. You don't need to find the exact value. Now this is easy to compare. 96 is greater than 72 is greater than 50. So you can say that 16 raised to 24 is greater than 24 raised to 16 is greater than 32 raised to 10. This is the fastest way to find the greatest or smallest among exponential numbers. Try this method and try to become very fast with it. Hope you learned something. Thank you.